Good morning everyone. We have completed the explanation of poem The Kite. Today I am going to explain you the question answer of the same poem. So now let's start. Answer the following questions in 4 or 5 sentences. Question number 1. Describe a kite's journey and its fate. Our answer is, according to the poet, the new kite looks bright when it flies in the blue sky. As I told you during the explanation of our poem, that the poet said the kite looks very bright when it flies in the blue sky and when it's new. As it begins its journey and takes a dive and dips, its tail makes a snapping sound. It then soars into the sky with single string attached to it. However, if the wind stops blowing, the kite comes to a rest until the wind starts blowing again. This is the fate of a kite. So यहाँ पे पोएट जो है वो काइट की जर्नी और उसका जो लक है, फैट है, वो डिस्क्राइब करते हैं कि जैसे विंड स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है तो काइट आकाश में, स्काई में ऊपर तक जाती है और उसकी जो टेल है वो स्नैपिंग साउंड देती है. देन इट सोअर्स इनटू द स्काई विथ सिंगल स्ट्रिंग अटैच्ड टू इट. बट जब विंड स्टॉप होता है, when the wind stops blowing, the kite comes to a rest until the wind start blowing again. So this is the fate of a kite. Second question. What happens to a kite when wind falls? जब wind fall होता है, जब हवा जो है वो गिर जाती है, तो काइट के साथ क्या होता है? When wind falls, a kite comes down. आप सबने भी एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा. मोस्ट ऑफ जो बॉयज़ हैं वो तो काइट फ्लाई करते ही हैं, तो आपको अच्छे से एक्सपीरियंस होगा इसमें कि जब हवा गिर जाती है, when the wind falls, a kite comes down. काइट नीचे आ जाती है. It can't stay on in the air. As it comes down, the string gets slack and we have to wind it back. This goes on till a new breeze blows. So these are our question answers with 2 and 3 sentences. Now read the following stanzas and answer the questions given below them. Here the stanzas are given and we have to answer the questions from this stanza. Question number 1. How does the kite look when it is new? जब काइट न्यू होती है तो वो कैसी दिखती है? The kite looks bright when it's new. जब काइट न्यू होती है तो वो ब्राइट दिखती है. So the kite looks bright when it's new. Second question. How does the kite begin its journey upwards? ऊपर आकाश में ऊपर काइट अपनी जर्नी कैसे स्टार्ट करती है? How does the kite begin its journey upwards? The kite begin its journey by and up and down with a sharp sound. Next question. Why is the kite compared to a sheep? The kite is compared to a sheep as just like a sheep, the kite too moves on a single cell. जैसे sheep एक single cell में move करता है, just like it, the kite also fly on with a single cell and single rate. Now second stanza is given. Question number 1 of second stanza. What does the poet mean by saying that the kite climbs to the crest? The poet says that when the wind is strong, the kite climbs over the wind. Second question, mention rhyming words that rhyme with the word rest. पोयम में जो वर्ड दिया हुआ है, here the word is given in stanza also, rest. So which are rhyming words that rhymes with the word rest? The word rhymes with rest are best, nest, paste, taste and last. When does the kite rest? Our answer is the kite rest when the wind falls. जब wind fall होता है, हवा गिर जाती है, तब kite नीचे आती है and rest लेती है. Number 4. What is the meaning of the word gust? The word gust means a rush of strong wind. तो gust का meaning क्या होता है? The word gust means a rush of strong wind. So these are the question answers of the poem The Kite. Thank you everyone.